Welcome to Dancing with Gali. If you're ready to spice up your salsa flow, this tutorial is perfect for you. I'll show you 5 simple moves that'll help your basics feel more natural and flavorful. Step by step, nice and easy. If you're ready, let's unlock the dancer in you. So for the first step, we have the basic version that is going forward and back. We go 1, 2, together, and back, and together, right? This is more like the basic version. We do it when we're starting to learn salsa, right? So for this version, the flowy version, we're gonna go forward, and then from here, you're gonna push the floor to move back, right? So you use and you go back and back. So right now, if you see, my legs are not together. I go a little bit farther, okay? So this will be the number 3. We make a pause, right? And then the other leg, which is right now the left leg, we're gonna go back and the same thing. We go back and then we push the floor to come back and move forward. 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Every time you do it, you push the floor and you go farther away so you can go with the flow, okay? Okay, with music. 5, 6, basic version. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, close, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, now forward. 1, 2, 3, flowy version. Flowy version. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the number 2. We're gonna do the same basic step. 1, 2, 3. Now, for this version, we're gonna open when we go forward. Then we're gonna make a twist. We're gonna face the diagonal. And then, when we go forward, we're gonna come back facing forward. 1 to the front. And we continue, right? I'm gonna do it one more time. So, 1, 2, 3, and to the back. 1, open, twist, and slide your leg so you can put it together to the other one, right? We are like this, and then we go forward. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, forward, back, bam. It's just a tiny twist, so you can give a little bit more flowing flavor, okay? Let me do it like this. So forward, back, and let's give it a twist. 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, forward. Let's do it with music. Okay, 5, 6, basic version, forward. 1, 2, 3. Well, flowy version. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make that twist. 1, 2, twist. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Forward. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the third move. For this step, we're gonna change the basic, and now we're gonna go to the sides. And again, we have the basic version, which you already have to know. If you don't know or you don't have your basic steps yet, I have another video where you can go to check and learn the 5 basic steps you need to know to start dancing, okay? If you already have watched that one, let's continue. So we have the basic version of the side step. 1, 2, again together. 1, 2, together, right? For this version, we're gonna push the floor again, and we're gonna slide and move a little bit more to have more flow, right? So 1, move together. 1, move together. 1, move together. And remember, we're pushing the floor to the side so I can travel in the space, right? In our space. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Easy, right? Let's do it with music. Okay, to the side. 5, 6, basic version. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And flowy. 1, 2, 3. Push the floor. Come on. Hey. Agua. Perfect. Okay, next step. Side, and we're gonna add a little bit more flavor with our body. So, same flowy version, right? 1, 2, 3. But now we're gonna move our shoulders, and we're gonna go to the same side to the one that is opening. So we're gonna do 1, like we're looking to that side, and then we come back. So look, like if you were turning a car wheel, we're gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2. You see? Same side, same side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Flowy version, same. And if you want added a little bit more of a style, if you're a guy, you can go with your arms like this, right? And if you're a lady and you want a style with a more feminine way, you can elongate your arm, and you have to do it along all the steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 for the ladies. 1, 2, 3 for the guys. Ta, ta. You have to look that way. If you do this, it's gonna be like kind of weird. Look at the side that you're turning, okay? Let's try it with music. Okay, basic side step. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Flowy version, of course. 1, 2, 3. Okay, shoulders. Now with the arms for guys. Okay, for the ladies. Sit for the guys. Ladies. Perfect. Next step. Okay, for the last step, we're gonna do the same side basic, but now we're gonna cross the leg, right? So we have our flowy version. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the third step, now we're gonna cross it to the front. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? This one, the number 2, is gonna move a little bit to the back so I can make a space so the other one can go through, right? And this is the number 3, and then we open again to the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, I make a space and cross. 1, I make a space and cross. 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3. Now you have 2 versions of this step, and this is an extra move. It feels different. You can do this facing the diagonals like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you make a space and you go to the diagonal. Or you can keep facing to the front, and this is gonna feel different. You're gonna kind of jump your leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You still have to make a space for the leg that is crossing, but you stay going forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do it with music so you can see it with the whole flavor. 5, 6, flowy to the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's cross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Facing the front. Now facing to the sides. Esa. Agua. One more time. And facing the front. to the sides. Perfect. Remember, as we say in Spanish, la práctica hace al maestro. Practice makes the master. Can be tricky at first, but just keep going. Let me know in the comments which of these steps you're adding to your basics, and if you're ready for more, check out part 2. 5 more moves to spice up your salsa flow. Let's keep unlocking the dancer in you.